Hello dear subscribers again. We do have something special today. This is a insulated box truck, Mitsubishi MiniCab 2000 model, 40 something. I'm gonna check the miles for in a minute. So it's a 4-wheel drive, got an AC automatic transmission. It's not ECVT, it's automatic, real automatic transmission, perfect shape. I still gotta do I checked everything is okay, but I'm gonna replace, since got quite a bit of miles, I'm gonna replace timing belt kit, which includes timing belt tensioner, water pump, oil pump seal, crankshaft seal, camshaft seal, and water pump. I think I mentioned that. Yeah, brakes, everything good on this truck. I already checked it all. Oil already changed, and front axle, rear axle, transmission, transfer case already changed. So all I gotta do, the timing belt. Very nice, rare, interesting mini box truck, insulated. That's a big cooler for the beer. So we got latch here, you can latch it. Got light inside, light works. I think it's maybe even got position when it opens. No, you gotta always turn it on like that. And then this one, oops, and it's locked. Got side door also, sliding door. Perfect. 4-wheel drive, perfect box truck. It could be converted to mini camper. I seen them when they do pop-up roof. They put little sink, little stove, water underneath somewhere, water tank, and here's your little camper. Very nice truck, very nice, very good condition. Windshield visors, antenna, mirrors, heavy duty mirrors. I like those mirrors. Very clean inside, no rust at all, not at all. Little tear, not even tear, it's just the material, top part of material came off here, which is not too bad. Very clean, very good 4-wheel drive. Here's the button operated right there. Hoppa! Off, on, off, on. Automatic transmission, AC. You push that button, AC kicks on, but the light inside doesn't work. So I need to probably change the button, not the button but the switch. It's a little LED light inside, but it works. The compressor kicks on. Of course, radio works, 4-way flasher works. Wait. Wiper works, turn signal works, lights, high-low beam works, signal works, everything works on this truck. Very nice truck, very nice, clean. It's really, how many miles? It's got 46,600 miles. So yeah, it's getting close to the time to replace the timing belt. There's a jack, all the tools. Let's check the engine. There's the engine compartment. EFI, injectors, runs great. I drove it. runs very good. And where is the tag on this truck? I don't see the tag. Okay, let's see. Goodyear tires, very good tires. I always have new tires in stock. Brand new battery I put on. I still gotta make the holder. I need to put original one back. Perfect, yeah, no rust, nothing. Here's the VIN number. I don't know if you can see it. I'll take picture later. Cup holders, good. Let's see this side. Power steering, injectors. Yep, very nice. I already put brand new air filter, but like I said, I still gotta replace the timing belt and whatever is there. And I will gotta clean bunch of trucks first, and then I'm gonna start do big repairs. So if anybody interested, let's check the roof also on the top. But it's all in perfect shape here. I already checked everything. Perfect. Just a perfect condition. Perfect. Very nice truck. It's a beautiful day today. Okay, that's it. It's gonna be it for today. Long day. Okay, dokie. You all have a great day. And I'm gonna go swim.